The global human population is projected to reach 9 billion by 2050, creating significant challenges for the food production system, particularly in the livestock sector, providing meat to the growing population. However, the farming sector is also expected to become more sustainable and environmentally friendly in the future, which means that new breeding technologies must be developed to produce more efficient animals using fewer natural resources such as water, land, and animal feed. Pork and poultry are the most consumed meats in the world, making up over 70% of the total meat consumption. The GENE-SWitCH project, funded by the European Union, aimed to provide new insights into the functional genomes of pigs and chickens and to use this information to make them healthier and more efficient. You might ask, how can these new insights help farmers to reach their goals? Well, for thousands of years, animal breeders were indirectly selecting farm animals by mating their best females and males so that their offspring will produce more meat or eggs and become more resistant to stress and diseases. The selection by the early animal breeders could act only indirectly on the genome, and the results of the chosen mate could be evaluated by measuring the performance, for example, increased growth or egg production of their progenies. Nowadays, we can speed up this process with the help of genomics by a process called genomic selection. Thanks to more knowledge of the DNA and its functions, genomic selection allows to predict how a given mate selection will impact on the performance of their progeny. In GENE-SWitCH, the new functional information on the pig and chicken genomes has been used to build innovative approaches that will foster the advancement of genomic selection in these species. Unlike the DNA sequence, which is the same in all the cells of an organism, the functional genome is not a fixed structure and can be subject to changes throughout our lives due to various environmental factors. Pairs of twins who have the same DNA upon birth age differently. This occurs because various factors, including nutrients from the food we eat, cause small changes to the DNA or on the proteins wrapping the DNA, called epigenetic modifications. They can sometimes be passed down to future generations. The GENE-SWitCH project has explored whether the maternal diet of pigs and chickens can cause epigenetic changes in the genomes of their offspring that in turn may affect their health, body composition, and other desirable traits. In summary, deciphering and leveraging the functional genome of pig and chicken is vital to improve pig and chicken breeding programs for sustainable animal production. Overall, the GENE-SWitCH project has developed new technologies and results that will enable the farming sector to become more sustainable and efficient while still meeting the increasing demand for meat from the growing global population.